Okay, in this video we're going to talk about the shared drop down. I sometimes call it a shared folder for some reason, but it's the shared save box, which is here, basically down on the right hand side of the software. Now this is where people can share basically systems, sorry about the little stutter there, that they've created. Now you don't have to do that, of course, but you can do. There's a couple of things that you really need to understand about this drop down list. One is I don't have any control over it unless I've actually added systems in of my own, but basically the owner of the system decides whether they're going to share that or not, and if they decide to unshare it, it will no longer appear in that list. If they leave the service for some strange reason, then they can be deleted from the list, and you know, obviously if they delete the system from their list, then again it's deleted. So if you see a shared system that you like, first of all, you know, presumably you like it and you've loaded it in. Okay, so it appears with the same file name here. So if you see a system you like, make sure it's showing the same name there, so as we can see, and then just click save and hit the please use the button to update your settings. Now this shared save will actually appear in your list as well, as you can see there. That way, if the person then decides to delete that save, or they leave the service or whatever, you've still got a copy of it, which is really important. So if you like a system, immediately save it. And the same goes if you want to share your own system. So if you create your own system and then you decide, okay, I want to share it, all you have to do is tick share and then update. Try not to do it unless you are actually going to share your own system, because otherwise it just ends up with being loads of shares in that are the same in that drop down list. So just click share and then it will automatically share the system after you update it. So please remember that about the share saves, that you know they are owned by the person that creates them. Now I may well change that in the future, because my feelings are is once you've shared a system, then theoretically you're giving it to everybody anyway. So you know it's unfair for you then to suddenly remove it. But at the moment I don't control it, the user does, but I may well change that in the future. So yeah, so if you see one you like, immediately just click the save button and then it appear in your own list. Also just double check that after you've saved it you're getting the same selections and the same results as the one you saved, because sometimes you can quite accidentally load something in and change it without thinking, and then go and save it, and then of course it's a changed system. But if you immediately click save without making any changes, then it will save exactly the same system. So keep that in mind. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.